Hello guys, and today we will be taking a look at this Kodak EasyShare camera that I got out of my grandma's closet. So this is what happens when you go to your grandma's house and you look in her closet and here's this camera. So I just thought that this would be a good video, a suitable video for you guys today. It's a quick video. It may not look quick, but I'm not really doing anything. Now this camera works fine. It's obviously trash because it's from 1970 and it has horrible specs. So, taking a look inside the box is a nice yellow Kodak box, signature to Kodak. And taking a look inside, we can take a look at what we have in there. Obviously, we have the camera itself, looking rather silver today. And taking a look in the box further, you can see a cord that connects to your TV in case you want to watch your videos on a TV. Obviously, I know this camera is not from 1970, but you know, I gotta let you know. Alright, so there's two batteries stuck together with a piece of tape that they call a rechargeable battery. I don't have the charger for the camera, so that's unfortunate. Here's the printer. This is the main focus of the camera. They made it easy so you could easily print the photos right after you take them on this little dock, but I don't have that, unfortunately. Here we have a armband thing that you can put on your arm. I'm not sure what it's called. And the instruction manual that nobody ever reads because they're too excited to get their new camera. Taking out the batteries of the camera, you can see it takes two AA batteries. Signature, I guess, for old cameras. I'm not too sure. And we have 4 screws along the bottom of the camera, and they're relatively easy to take out. They're all different sizes, so I had to keep them all separate. And you can see along both sides there is 2 screws on the right side and 1 screw on the left hand side. And taking those out is pretty easy. And getting this thing open is a day and a half. So you can see I took out that little door there for the SD card. And this still does use the big SD card. They've switched the SD cards in the past, so you can tell this thing is old. So taking it open, getting it open, we can see a lot of logic board and LCD. So this thing looks kind of nice, to be honest. It's kind of weird how they get all that in there, packed in there and working. But mostly what we're going to be focusing on is this top part. If you guys want to see me do more of this camera and taking it apart further, let me know, because I will more than likely do that. So we have a little bit there. We're taking out this little glass panel that is holding down the LCD. Now I'm just gonna wipe this down real quick because there's fingerprints all over the front and back of it. So apparently somebody's been in this camera before. Okay, so looking back at this, we can see everything is still there and everything is working. And so let me know if you want me to open this even further than I have today, because today I'm just kind of showing you how to open it and get into it. Alright, putting back together, everything lines up perfectly. You can kind of line it up with the bottom hole. Also, don't forget to put that door back on. It's not too hard. I just kind of line the spring up with the other half and pop it into place, and it works perfectly fine. And putting these screws back in is really easy. I just put them all back in where they go. Okay, and putting back the batteries, I did put them in the wrong spots first. I'm sorry, don't make fun of me. So, the camera's still working, as before. I didn't really do anything or take anything, disconnect anything, really, so it should still be working. Skipping the setup screen. Here we go. You have your 4x optical zoom camera from 2000 and something. So as I show you these nice specs right here, I would like to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Tell me if you want me to open this camera further, because you know I will. And just let me know what you want to see in the future. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. See ya.